Hello and good morning. Welcome to Healthy Life. Today I'm sharing my favorite healthy breakfast ideas to get you off to a healthy start. You can make them ahead and take them with you wherever you go. You'll also find ones that can be whipped up quickly in the morning. There will also be a few days when you have a bit more time for breakfast. We will break down these delicious and healthy breakfast ideas into 11 different categories. Number 11, Healthy Breakfast Oats Ideas. Breakfast with oats is a healthy, tasty option. However, if you're anything like me, you might find yourself stuck in an oat rut. During college, I ate plain instant oatmeal every day. For years later, I couldn't stand it anymore. Be sure to vary your toppings to avoid oat burnout. You may include nut butter, fruits, dried fruit, yogurt, nuts, seeds, or jams. You can also prepare your oats differently. You can also make a large batch of overnight oats for quick breakfasts throughout the week, as well as baked oatmeal or homemade granola. If you're doing it at the same time, make oat milk as well. Number 10, Egg Breakfast Ideas. If you want to prioritize protein in your breakfast, egg breakfast ideas are a healthy option. Try one of the breakfast ideas and recipes to spice up breakfast scrambles, omelets, and plain fried eggs. You can make individual frittatas in muffin tins for a portable breakfast. Enjoy a big breakfast casserole or shakshuka with your family or partner when you have time. Number 9, Healthy Breakfast Smoothies Ideas. The most satisfying breakfast idea of the day is a smoothie, which is packed with fruits and vegetables. In years of making smoothies, I've discovered that a handful of spinach almost disappears, so mix some into your fruit smoothie to boost its nutrients. You can also add a superfood like hemp seeds, nut butter, matcha powder, or maca powder for an extra health boost. Prepare your smoothie the night before and store it in the fridge for a grab-and-go breakfast. You can prepare your fruits, veggies, and superfoods in advance in a container and use them for as many days as you want. Store the containers in the freezer and blend the frozen packs with juice or almond milk in the morning. You'll enjoy it. Number 8, Healthy Breakfast Bowls Ideas. A breakfast bowl might be the perfect idea if you're looking for some creative, out-of-the-box breakfast ideas. Almost anything can be included in this category. My savory bowls consist of rice, farro, or cauliflower rice, a soft-boiled egg, vegetables, leftover roasted Brussels sprouts, butternut squash, cauliflower, etc., and a flavorful sauce. I have a wide variety of sweet bowls. When I'm in the mood for chia pudding or a smoothie bowl, I'll make it. My favorite way to eat quinoa is to top it with almond milk, cinnamon, and fresh fruit. Number 7, Quick Bread Breakfast Ideas. The perfect breakfast, quick bread is moist, comforting, and lightly sweet. The summer is when I almost always have individual slices of zucchini bread in my freezer. During the fall and winter, pumpkin and banana bread replace them. If you want extra staying power, you can top your favorite quick bread with Greek yogurt and seasonal fruit. Number 6, Pancake and Waffle Breakfast Ideas. You may not be able to prepare pancakes and waffles every morning. Unlike their cousins French toast, these breakfast ideas and recipes can be frozen ahead of time. If you are planning to make pancakes or waffles on the weekend, double your batch and freeze the leftovers for busy mornings. Thaw them in the toaster or microwave when you're ready to eat. Number 5, Healthy Breakfast Tacos Ideas. Breakfast tacos are my favorite healthy breakfast after living in Austin for years. I usually scramble eggs with spinach and top them with avocado or guacamole, tomatillo salsa or cilantro sauce, and pico de gallo if I have it on hand. Otherwise, I add roasted vegetables like sweet potatoes, shiitake mushrooms, or cherry tomatoes to my egg filling. Then I just scramble up a few eggs and load everything into tortillas in the morning. Number 4. Healthy breakfast cookies ideas. You can enjoy breakfast cookies on the go in the morning. The ingredients they contain, like wheat, oats, nuts, seeds, and even quinoa, are rich in protein, healthy fats, and fiber. I love the banana bread breakfast cookies and lemons every day, in addition to the fruit and veggie variations. You can prepare these breakfast ideas in advance and freeze them for busy mornings. Just microwave them for 8 to 10 seconds to thaw, and you're ready to enjoy. Number 3. Toast breakfast ideas. If you're looking for easy breakfast ideas, toast is a smart choice. Add your favorite toppings to a slice of whole grain bread and toast it in the toaster. My favorite way to serve this is to start with a creamy spread and then layer roasted or raw veggies, fruit, and/or fresh herbs on top. Although I love avocado toast, hummus, ricotta, and nut butter make equally delicious toast. Number 2. Healthy breakfast muffins and scones ideas. As a child, we always had chocolate chip muffins for breakfast. I still love muffins for breakfast, but now I make them healthier by using whole grain flour, fruit mix-ins, and natural sweeteners like maple syrup whenever possible. It is also possible to freeze muffins and scones, as well as other healthy breakfast baked goods. It's always a plus to have a frozen stash on hand. Number 1. Bars and balls breakfast ideas. If you love granola bars for breakfast, consider making your own instead of buying packaged ones. All of these breakfast ideas combine good-for-you ingredients to create delicious, nutritious morning treats. You can freeze these bars and balls for easy healthy breakfasts and snacks, just like baked goods.
What are your thoughts on these breakfast ideas? I would love to hear from you if you would like to watch the videos for any of these breakfast ideas with recipes and how to make them in the future. Share one breakfast idea that you love the most and would love to make for yourself and your family in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel by clicking the red subscribe button below. Hit the bell icon if you'd like to watch more useful, educational, and informative videos. Thank you for watching.